Do you want to hide the content of Instagram messages on your lock screen and protect your privacy? In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to disable message previews on your iPhone's lock screen. This simple change can help you feel more secure, as no one will be able to see the content of your messages while your phone is locked. But before we begin, if you're new to my channel, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, so you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video. So, the first step is to go to your phone's home screen, find Settings, and open it. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit and find the Notifications option. When you find it, tap on it. After opening the Notification Settings page, the next thing you need to do is scroll down and in the Notification Style section, find Instagram and then tap on it. Then, once you've opened the Instagram Notification Settings page, scroll down a bit more and in the Lock Screen Appearance section, select the Show Previews option. When you open the Show Previews option, you will see three choices: Always, When Unlocked, and Never. If you want to completely disable message previews on the lock screen, simply choose Never. Once you've done that, the content of the messages will no longer be visible on the lock screen, and it will look something like this on my phone's screen. And that would be all for this video. If it was helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.